Good morning, folks. This is Will K-Mac Vintage coming to you on a Sunday morning. It is now 8:35 a.m. here in Grand Cayman. Sunny day outside. Looking outside the window, don't see a damn cloud in the sky. So it's gonna be a clear, hot day, sunny, bright. What is it out there right now? I don't even know what the temperature is out there, and I don't have my phone on me. So anyway, it's gonna get toasty. I can tell you that for sure. I don't know if I can bring anything up that will help me with that, but let's see. Anyway, yesterday I didn't do anything. There's my doggy walking in the background. Yesterday I really didn't do anything because I did some stuff in the morning, but I did that off camera. I finished that board, that SE30. Right now it's 80 degrees outside here, so that's not too bad. So was supposed to get up to today 83. Oh, that's not too bad. Anyway, that SE30 board for Pedro number two, board number two for him that I was doing. I finished soldering everything else on it, like the four other RAM sockets, the PDS, the SCSI floppy connectors, everything else on the back. I mean, I can show you what it's. I mean, here it is here now. If I take that off, you see everything is on it. It's basically done. The board is done. So the main thing I want to do here is I want to run TechStep on it. I have in his ROM and his memory because he sent me two sets of two SE sets, one for each board, and there's the other set that I have here. So let's run TechStep on it. Let's get that out of the way. Earlier this morning, I turned on my ultrasonic cleaner in the back there, and for it to get the temperature, it's at 43 Celsius now. It needs to get up to 50. Okay, so on this, I will choose SE30, which is number 3. Test mode, TST MD, which is number 2. Then it wants me to power up. It asks me if I want to terminate SCSI. I tell it yes, terminate bus. And now it's going to try to connect. I don't really need monitor for this, so my screen is not even on this back here. Communication established. And we'll go do logic test and run all. And away it goes. Now this is smaller RAM. This so because I took out all of mine because mine are 16 megs or actually 4 for each. So I took out, these are the 16, these are the 4s. Okay. So I didn't want it to go through that much RAM test. So you see it's already going faster via test. Clock. PRAM. SEC. This is the one that normally fails. It normally fails because either a bad 175 chip back here, or the LS30s are bad, or they're not connected good or something. Usually it's the 175s that are messed up. Could be a resistor pack also. I've had those fail on me, but I would lean more towards the 175s first, and then the resistor packs, and then after that the LS30 chip. There we go. The ADB test. This is the last one. So far, everything passed, so I don't think we're gonna have a problem with this board. Okay, all tests passed. Okay, so we're good with that. Now I do want to turn it off and swap the RAM for the other set of RAM and ROM that he sent me. Because I want to make sure that they're good. Something about that one doesn't want to go in. Try that in a different slot. Okay, there we go. All right. I need to do test mode again. It wants me to turn on. It won't ask me terminate now because I never turned off the TechStep, so it's already terminated. Communication established. Now, one thing I want to do first before with this is that I want to go to oh, the SE doesn't have that mode. It should. Test mode. Gram size 4 meg. So each one of these is actually 1 meg. So I've got 4 megs in here right now. So let's do all again. The main thing is just to test. I mean, I already see that the ROM is working, or else I wouldn't be this far. And the RAM is working because, again, too, I wouldn't be this far. So, but let's just do everything that we need to do on it. VIA test, clock test, VRAM, SEC. And this is running so nice with our compact card on here that just you put that on and it's all in one device. It's your whole analog board and your video output and your power source. I need to order some more of these. ADB is on the last test now. All tests passed. Okay, so I'm happy with the outcome. That's 2 more reloaded boards that are now completed. I don't have to put any rivets here because these are the ones that go through. So let me put this away. So his board is done here. Now I need to put these 2 in the ultrasonic cleaner a couple times because it's not gonna get everything off on the first go. So the 2 boards for Pedro are right here. There they are. Okay, completely reloaded and working. The only thing that's not original on this one is RTC because that broke when I was pulling it out. So he has a replacement. But these are better because you don't need a battery and you don't really need a crystal. So for it to save PRAM. Okay, so we have the 2 boards. They are completed. And they will be going, they'll be doing their cleaning processes because I'll run it through the ultrasonic cleaner, then I will run it through the alcohol bath, scrub it, put it outside in the sun for a while, and then what else will I do with it? I will check it by hand and then clean it again and until it's all done. So okay. Beyond that, I don't want to work on something else on this video because I'm going to title this the SE30 Pedro board 2 part 2 final. So I don't really want to start on something else on this board. So because I don't know what to do next. I need to check and see. I think I have one more SC30 to that I need to do, and then that gets that out of the way. Then I can start on the other ones, or I may do a CI now, and then do that SC30 later. Um, and go on from there. Let me pause this and see what I'm gonna do. All right, folks. I did find some things that I can work on, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end this one video because this will close off the board for F Pedro, and I'm gonna start right away another one that I'll post today too. This is a board that is for Luke. It is in actually Australia. I've done some other work for him in the past, and he was having some issues with some boards, and then he sent me I think he sent me 3 boards this time. One is a SE30, and I have it on the bench here, but I don't want to discuss it too much now. So let me end this video, and I'll be right back with another one. If you like this one, please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate the actually support. Leave me some comments. It will be appreciated. If you want to support the channel, go to my website, which is a coffee site, kmacvintage.com. There you can follow me, and you'll get updates when I do posts and add things to the store and so forth. The shop is there. You can message me, and anyone can email me at any time. It's at actually kmacvintage@gmail.com. And you can also do a donation or a monthly donation if you wish, and so forth, and that will help me out. Okay. We'll see you in the next one, just right after this one. Alrighty, bye bye. Thank you. Where's my cursor so I can end this one? There.